Hello and a very warm welcome to my lovely YouTube family. You're watching Tasty Treats right here. On the menu today is a delicious snack recipe that's been inspired from the Mughlai cuisine. Your taste buds are up for a treat because this snack is going to make your tea time so much more enjoyable. So presenting today, Chicken Shahi Roll. Blend together 2 slices of bread, some cloves of garlic and 1 to 2 green chilies, 1 small onion, a teaspoon of salt, 300 grams of boneless chicken, a teaspoon of red chili powder or according to preference, half teaspoon oregano and garlic powder, and finally a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Now onto this ground meat, add some chopped spring onions, or you can also add coriander leaves. Now onto a small piece of cling wrap, add some oil and also grease your palms and flatten out portion of the meat as shown here. Now add a slice of cheese and roll it up as shown here. Seal both ends and secure the cheese within. If you haven't already subscribed, then today is a good day to sign up for your weekly dose of yummy food recipes by subscribing to Tasty Treats right here. Finally, now shallow fry them on medium heat, evenly cooking all sides for about 2 minutes. Enjoy these with your favorite dip, top it up with some fresh cream or mayonnaise, and thank me in the comment section. Drop in a like for this video and let us know your thoughts about this recipe in the comment section. We are also there on Facebook and Instagram, so find us there and follow us.